Okay.
Got some different products. This is called Elote Mexican street corn. It's got different things in it. This is spicy Italian Gardettos. It's a mixture, different snacks. Can you see it?
Yep.
I've ate most of these. These are Mexican peanuts. They are really good. That's why the bag's almost empty. Then we got Bad Monkey nacho cheese flavored popcorn. Almost forgot what it was. And then these are Lance Necot sandwich cookies. Sounds like a disease, but never heard of this stuff. So, I don't know.
Uh-oh. Battery changing time.
Now I gotta start.
Okay.
So here, I'm gonna try this Elote or whatever first. If I can get it open. Well, I guess, don't know here. How in the world do you open these stupid things? Let me go get the scissors. Sorry about that. They're just hard to open.
Surgery.
They make things so difficult sometimes.
Like people. Difficult.
Yeah. Alright. This is
Wait.
just, this is a mixture of not bad. This is spicy Italian. Wow, that was easy to open. There's different things in there. Okay.
Are they hot?
No, are a little weird. Our Italian food ain't so great. Okay. Here we go, trying to open the popcorn. Gotta get some scissors. No, those Italian things aren't the best. Okay, hang on. I guess this is monkey food. Bad Monkey.
Is it good?
Not bad. These are peanuts. These are really good.
They're spicy.
They are spicy, but they are good. There you go.
Looking at my mama's nuts.
Yeah. If I don't live around nutty people, I'm eating peanuts.
Yep.
Okay, these are the cookies.
Okay.
Supposed to be like a lemon cream pie. Okay, wow.
She eats packages.
Yeah, this is time. That's why God gave us teeth to open things. Well, it ain't lemon pie, but it's good. Well, that's all I have for now. My favorite thing is this and this. And
What?
This. The Elote Mexican street corn, the peanuts, the lemon, and this is okay, and the spicy Italian's alright. So, that's all I have for now. Goodbye.